Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Magical Earth box. This is not the premium box, this is just the standard Magical Earth box. I ordered it to do a side-by-side for 20 to just under $30 boxes, and this one's just under $30. I want to say it's like $29.95 or $29.99, somewhere in there. So it's for basically Cancer, the zodiac sign. Oh, my favorite part. I missed the astrology. Oh, sticky thing. Okay. Cool. It says Leo. Pay attention to the fuel of your fire, Leo. You know that your power comes from the heart, and if that heart is aching for something that is causing suffering, your ability to endure the long road ahead is lessened. Remember the resolve you have access to and make a new intentional affirmation of your strength to be the person you were born to be. Nothing lasts forever. Ooh, very good. Of course, the Cancer season is a little bit different. And it's got an entry for each day. This is probably my very favorite part of these boxes when I used to get the premium ones. Oh my goodness! The dogs are wilding out. So it's got a lot more information than it used to. Talks about the solstice. Really beautiful. And then we have like all sorts of entries for every day. And we have some blurbs here about Venus retrograde and Mercury retrograde. This is very, very cool. I love this. Ooh, this is really cool. I love this. Absolutely love it. I love that. This is the Two of Swords, a decision. Go on. And that's the meaning of Two of Swords. We got a sunstone, which is very apropos for the holiday. Today is the solstice. Backlogged on my boxes. I got this box way earlier, guys. I've just backlogged. So we got a sunstone. It's an abundance stone. Encourages independence and originality. It's inspirational and revealing talents, and attracts fame and unexpected prosperity. Yes, please. And then we got, I don't have a single bag just like this, so that's pretty cool. What do we got? Oh, pretty, pretty. Very cool. I think it's a keychain. I mean, I don't know, because I can't really get it, but I can attach it to a keychain. Lots of squawking outside. I hope everybody's okay. Ooh, carnelian. Everything in here is very appropriate. Summer is the time when creative energy. Dusty, stay away from the ofrenda. The cat. She's out because my son's not here, but he's going to be here soon. Summer is the time when creative energy is at a high point. Carnelian helps to keep you energized and grateful for the blessings in your life, as well as for those you are creating. Cute. Oh, we got one more thing here. And then I'll read the insert. We've got a clear quartz. A beautiful clear quartz. Very clear. Purifying positive thoughts, clarity, enhanced energy, increase awareness, patience, bring strength, cancels out harmful effects of radiation and radioactivity. So, very cool. Let's move everything into your field of vision. And, of course that. And this month is about celebrating the summer solstice. We are celebrating the sun. We have set our intentions. We've done the work needed to plant our seeds. Now is the time to celebrate all of our hard work. The harvest is coming. More hard work will need to be done, but for now, celebrate your life. Celebrate your hard work. Take a day to enjoy life. Enjoy the sun. All of your crystals have been cleared and were charged on the last full moon. Carnelian. Celebrate your blessings. Use the energy of the sun to boost your confidence. Sunstone. Celebrate your abundance in life. Clear quartz. Use this stone to amplify all of your crystals, meaning that when you want properties of one stone, add the quartz to make that stone even stronger. A tarot card just for you, and an astrological calendar with a personal horoscope. The special gift is a blue, I read somewhere that it's properly pronounced chalcedony necklace. Very, very cool. Very cool. Super pleased. No complaints. I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. And I was just noticing that I did not have stones for my summer solstice. I don't even know if I have a blue chalcedony. Very cool. Super pleased. Magical Earth box. Standard Magical Earth box. Not the premium. Under $30. Very cool. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon.